Hello everyone! Sooner or later there comes a time when your dosing pump requires some servicing. In this video I'm going to show you how to extract your pump for inspection. We recommend to inspect both ISO and polyol pumps and make a preventive replacement of their seals at least once a year, as these are wearing parts. I'm going to use an ISO pump as an example, as they are equal from the point of view of their design. You will need a set of metric Allen keys, a flat and fine screwdriver or a similar tool, and a plastic mallet, as well as the vise. Once you have dismounted the pump from the machine, you should fix it firmly in the vise and use aluminium or plastic protection so as not to damage the exterior of the pump. First of all, unscrew 4 hexagonal bolts using an Allen key number 6. Use a mallet to release the metal flange. After removing the flange, you will find a steel bushing which holds a static seal. Use a flat screwdriver or any other flat tool and try to lift the bushing nice and slow until you take it out. Finally, insert a screwdriver into the ring bolt of the piston and lift it up. Now you've got all the pieces of the pump that have the plastic seals that will have to be changed. If you want to find out more about dosing pumps, check our next technical tips and follow us on the social networks.